In this video, we will review the Collector Queue tool. AutoPal Software offers a full range of tools to help make servicing your accounts easier. The Collector Queue is a particularly effective tool as it allows you to take specific lists of loans and assign them to servicers for collections. To access Collector Queues that have already been created, simply navigate to the Tools tab and then the Collector Queue tab. Here, you will see pending Collector Queues as well as completed Collector Queues. If you'd like to create a Collector Queue, navigate to the Loan Manager tab. Refine your search by using the Loan Status, Keyword Search, and Advanced Search. Once your search restrictions have been applied, select Data Options, and then Collector Queue. This will load the selected loans into a Collector Queue. Enter a title for the Collector Queue. Select whether you'd like the list to be static or change based on the search. And assign a user. Once this information is completed, select Create New Job. This will automatically take you to the Collector Queue tool. As you can see, it is at the top of the list. If you'd like to start collections, simply select Begin next to the Collector Queue. At the top of each loan, you will notice a Collector Queue timer. This will give you a quick view of the total number of loans in the list, which loan is currently being serviced, and the time spent. There are also a pause and stop icon available on this page. The pause icon will allow a servicer to stop which loan they are on in the event that they need to access another area of the software. The stop button will allow them to temporarily stop the queue if the servicer needs to accomplish another task. If we scroll to the bottom of the page, you will have the ability to add notes concerning the interactions with the customer. These notes will be saved directly in the Notes tab of each loan and can be reviewed at any time. Additionally, there are two buttons located at the bottom of the queue. Move to the back of loan will automatically move the loan that you're servicing to the back of the queue. Or Continue to next loan. This will allow you to move to the next loan. You can also customize, under your company settings, custom questions for your servicers to answer. These questions will show up inside the Notes portion of the queue and can be assigned a score. The scores are a great metric so that servicers' performance can be easily tracked. Once the loan has been serviced, simply select Continue to Next Loan. Once the queue is complete, it will automatically redirect you to the Collector Queue page. Here, you'll be able to view statistics of the queue. To do so, select Details next to the finished queue. This will give you a breakdown of the time spent on each loan for servicing. The Collector Queue tool page gives you a view of all Collector Queues currently in the system. These queues consist of completed, incompleted, or not started status. There will also be some basic statistics concerning each queue displayed, namely, the servicer assigned to the queue, the total number of loans, the number of completed loans, and the percentage completed to date. You can also search under the search restrictions for the servicing user, or the status. If you select the Settings tab, you will have the ability to create questions for your servicers to answer after completing a loan in the queue. These questions will show up inside of the Notes portion of the queue and can have scores assigned to them. This has been a brief overview of the Collector Queue tool.